renovating an apartment like this one, where we have over 9 floors and a lot of people living here, one of the main considerations is for the residents. There's always strict rules surrounding when work can start, and when it has to end on a weekday. There's no work to be done on the weekends at all, because the residents don't want to be disturbed with the noise, and that's fair enough. You have to adhere to a lot of the strata companies' rules regarding what type of work can be done, when it can be done, where they can park, where they can't park. The keys and the security of the building are a major issue. If the tradies lose the key, it causes a big problem. So there's lots of issues surrounding the logistics of an apartment renovation that really need to be looked after by your project manager. And you can't expect your tradies to be able to get on with things if the keys have gone missing, or they can't park their car, or there's the gates won't open, or there's some other issue that's causing a drama. Like in this particular one, our skip bin had to be located way out on the road, so that's quite a long way to have to go to bring all the demolition stuff out from the inside of the apartment. Just something else to consider. And using the lift when you have residents that are using the one and only lift at the same time, that's something to consider too. All the floors in the common areas of the foyer, the hallways, the lift, all the floors must be protected, and that's my job to make sure that happens. If the floors aren't protected and some damage occurs when the tradesmen are going in and out of the apartment, then the strata manager will report you and you will be up for any damages. So there's some good points and bad points about it, but can be done. And it's just to be mindful of all these restrictions that you do have when trying to renovate an apartment, especially if it's right up there on the ninth floor.